Hi everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ernest Chuks, and once more I am very excited to share yet another video with you. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to build a military profile display website just like the one you are seeing on your screen right now. So it has some a very nice header slider and all that with military pictures and all that, and it has some other sections and few other pages right here. So guys, I'm going to teach you how to install this kind of script, and also some of the features of this script. Now guys, if you like this video, if you learned something from this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and I would really advise you to watch this video till the end so you know how to install the script. Now if you also have any question in between this video, please consider leaving it for me in the comment section below. Now in my YouTube channel I upload content related to web development, web design, WordPress and digital marketing, and also some tricks and around this web design business. So if that is what you might be interested in, please consider hitting the subscribe button and also turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started into seeing the features that this script has to offer. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'll go over to this soldier ID right here, and then I will also go to the admin section and I'll copy the personnel ID right here. Just copy it. So I'm trying to search for a soldier using their personnel ID, so I'll just input that which I copied right here and then click on verify. So I'm trying to check if there is actually a soldier with that personnel ID. Oh well, we now saw a soldier named John Doe, and all these are made up. There is no soldier with the name John Doe, and we all know this guy Mr. Bean. He's not a soldier, and then there is no soldier, there is no real life soldier with this identity number. I just made this all up to show you how this script works. And if I click on this show image right here, you can see the person's ID. Once more, this is made up. There is no soldier named Actor Bean right here, and we all know Mr. Bean, he's a comedian. So let me just close that up, but this is how it is real life. So you can also see the full name, the email address. This is my email address. This is all made up, the rank, the pay grade and all that, then the status, active, the deployment location, about the soldier. And it also has some other features like leave application, care pack, medical kit, book flights, contact support and all that. So if I want to apply for a leave, I just click on leave application, and you can see okay, and then you can see that the letter and all that, the instructions and all that. Just make sure you read that up, and then this is the application form, the application full name, stuff like that. Then you click on apply now, and then you will receive an email of the application information and all that. So for the care pack, okay, you can also see that, and then just do all these stuff and click on purchase now and you'll be good. For the medical kit also, you can also do the same thing. Just read on the instructions and then do whatever is required of you to do right here. And then also for the book flight, yes, you can also book flight with this script, and it's just a military flight anyway. So you can just see that broadcast information, applicant's full name, applicant's email and all that. Fill that up, fill all these stuffs up, and all these three, they are automatically filled up for you. Okay, you can just fill this up and then click on apply now, and you receive an email about the flight that you just booked. Okay, let me just go back to the admin and show you some of the features. So I only have one personnel right here. So if I want to add more personnel and more soldiers, I will just click on add new personnel right here, and then I will be prompted with a form to fill, and then I will have a new personnel. You can see the user ID is automatically generated. You have nothing to do here. Then the full name, the profile picture code is also automatically generated. The ID card code is also automatically generated. Then just input the email, the rank, the pay grade, the deployment location, about the personnel, the registration date, and the personnel status, active or suspend. Okay, and after that just click on register and you have your personnel registered. So you can also edit the personnel account. Maybe you made a mistake in the information. You can also edit the personnel's account. Just come over here to edit personnel account, then scroll to the right side and then click on edit. Okay, when you do that, you can now be able to edit all the information right here. You can now edit all the information and click on update customer. So you can also suspend or activate a personnel. So just click on suspend personnel right here, and then you can be able to select the actual personnel, and then if you have many personnels, all of them will be in the drop down right here. And also click on this set status, and if it is suspended already, you can choose active and then click on set, or if it's active already, you can choose suspend to suspend the personnel and then click on set. And that's all. So let's go over to add profile photo. So so you can see this instruction. Please make sure the image is a .jpg file and saved with account username. So what he's trying to explain is that if you go over to this add new personnel, so let's just look up the personnel's account. Sorry, let me just go over to dashboard and then let me just look up some personnel's account. You can see this profile pic code right here. This is the code that you will save the profile picture on your laptop with this code right here. Just save it and make sure it's a .jpg file. And then for the ID card, you can see add ID card photo. So you can now save the photo of the ID card with this exact name right here, this ID card code right here. Just save the name of the ID card to this code right here and make sure it's a .jpg file. And once you're through with that, so if you want to add the profile photo right here, just click on add profile photo and then just click on choose now and then select the actual file that you wish to choose, and then make sure it's the profile pic code that you saved the picture with, and make sure it's a .jpg file. This is really emphasized on. Please make sure you don't make any mistakes with this, because if you make any mistakes, it will not work. If it's a .jpeg, jpeg, it will not work. So if you want to convert any maybe PNG file or JPEG file to JPG, just go over to Google and type maybe JPEG to JPG. It's very simple. It's free of charge. Just do that. You can just follow any of the links. I'll just go with the first one, convertio.co. Okay, you can just choose the file. You can see JPEG to JPG converter, and you can also choose the extensions that you want right here, and then you can choose that. So just choose the file and then select it and then click on convert on the next window, and you will be able to download the converted file, and you already have a JPG file. So that is that. After you now choose the file, just click on upload image, and that will reflect in the user account or the personnel account. So the next one is for you to add ID card photo. So you just design the ID card on your laptop and then rename save it as the ID card code that I showed you earlier, right? In which I showed you earlier, right? And now choose the file and also click on upload image, and you also make sure it's a .jpg file. And that is that with the admin and all the features. I think I've really explained everything. You can as well change the language if you want, and you can as well change the admin login details right here. And that is simply that, guys. Now let me go ahead and show you how to install this script right here. Okay, now let me just go over to my cPanel, and then the very first thing you need is a domain name and hosting. And if you don't know how to buy the domain name and hosting, I will leave a link to a video where I explained how to buy domain name and hosting from Namecheap. So check in the description of this video and anywhere around this video, around your screen right now, you see it pop up and you will see how to buy domain name and hosting. But if you already know how to purchase domain name and hosting, go ahead, purchase your domain name and hosting, then log into your cPanel, and then you can continue from this video. Okay, now I will just go over to the database file manager. Sorry about that. I'll go over to the, just click on file manager, and I already have my file manager opened, and I already have a website existing on my domain, and then I just created a subfolder called military on my public_html. I created a subfolder, so I want to install the script onto a subfolder. But if you are installing this script on a standalone domain, a new domain, just go ahead and install it on the public_html, and you'll be really fine with that. Okay, now I already created a folder in my public_html. I called it military, and I have the military folder opened up, and then I now have the script uploaded already. I don't want to waste time in this video. So if you want to upload the script, just click on upload, and you now select the script, and it will start uploading right there. So just click on select, or you can just drag and drop it from your laptop, or you just click on the file explorer and drag and drop it right here, and it will start uploading. And that is that. So I already have it uploaded, so I'll just go ahead and then extract it. So I'll just right click on it, and sorry about that, I'll right click on it and click on extract. So when I have that, you can see it's now at a public_html and then /military. So if I want to browse the website, I'll go over to my domain name /military, and I'll get the files I just installed. So let me just click on extract files, and then we will go ahead from there. Okay, you can have extractions results, and the files have been extracted completely. Just click on close. Let me just click on reload. Sometimes it happens. Okay, you can see that. So I have succeeded in extracting the files, and right here you can see the installation guide. So if you get the script, you can see the installation guide. If you open it, there is an mp4 file right there. Just click on it and you'll watch it, and then you will see how to install the script and connect your database to it. So now let me just go over to the cPanel home, and let me go over to MySQL databases wizard. MySQL database wizard, just click on that. So let's go ahead and create a database user, and then connect the database user to the database and grant permissions, and then we'll be good. Okay, let me just create a database called military. Click on next step. I would love to name it military as well. Military, so you can name it another thing, I don't know. Then I will choose my password right here. Okay, alright, now we're good. Click on create users. Alright, I don't want to save that, so this is the place where we can now grant permissions. So I'll just click on all privileges, and then I'll click on make changes. So we have succeeded in creating the database and the database user, and now we have granted all the privileges required. So this is the the database name and the database username right here. So this is just all I need. That the name and the username, I use the same military. So I'll just go over to the file manager right there, and then I'll double click on this connect, open up that connect, and then open up include folder, and then you can see this dbconfig.php. Right click and click on edit. So I'll just go to edit once more, and then you can see the database fields to edit right here. You can see the username. I'll just paste that, mine, and then the database name also I'll paste mine, then the password. Alright, I have that done. Let's scroll and then just click on save changes. So I'm done with this file. I'll just go ahead and close it, come back out, up one level, and then I'll go over to the JSP folder, open up the JSP folder, and then open up the admin folder. Okay, when you do that, you can now see the connect.db.php right here. Right click that and then edit and edit once more. So let's go ahead and edit this file and input our database details. I'll just paste that, and I'll paste that also, my password, database password. Okay, so scroll down a bit more, scroll down, and you can see this is database username 1 and this is the password. Oh, I made a mistake there. And then this is the database name right here. I'll just paste that also, and then I also have some more fields to fill. You can see here and here also, so I'll just do that one after the other. Paste that also, put in the password. Okay, all right, then it's remaining the last section right here. And then make sure you don't make any mistakes doing all this, and make sure your database password is not so complicated, otherwise it might complicate with all the double quotes and all that. So I'll just click on save changes and then we'll be good. Okay, the next place you want to edit is this. Just go back up one level and then up one level again. So go over to the JSP. Remember where we are coming from the connect folder right here, then open the JSP. From the JSP you can now see this apply leave 1, then this booking 2, then this care pack 3, and then scroll down a bit, this medic kit 4. You can see this 1, you can see this 2, 3, 4. These 4 files you have to edit them with the correct email addresses. So let me just open one of these, edit, and then edit once more. Okay, here you have to input the receiver's email right here, receiver's email right here, the receiver email applying for leave, you just input it right here, and this is the domain email, email created with your domain that the email it will be sending from. So just put it right here and click on save changes and you'll be fine. So repeat that with the other 3 files, these 2, 3, and then 4 files. So that's all you have to do, guys, to install the script. So let's go. Okay, it's remaining one more thing. So go over to the cPanel home and we want to install and we want to import the SQL file to the PHP My Admin. So scroll down to databases and open up the PHP My Admin. Okay. Okay, now I'll just go over to the actual database I just created right now, military right there. So right now it is empty, and then I'll just go over to import, click on import, and then click on choose file. So I'll just open that up. This is the script right here, SQL folder. Now the SQL file is inside the SQL folder. So when you open up the SQL folder, you will now see the SQL file. Click on it and click on open, and then just click on go. So that is what we have to do to import the SQL file to PHP My Admin. Okay, you can see that has been successfully imported. Still loading. Okay, complete. So I'll just click on the military database to have a full view of it. Okay, you can see just 2 tables, the accounts and the admin. Let me just open up the admin. Right now we have no accounts there, but we have one admin. You can see the admin email and the password is password in lowercase. So I'll just leave this in a readme file for you guys in the file. So okay, let me just go over to a new tab and open up the website. This is / military. Let's see what's up. Okay, yeah, you can see that we have succeeded in installing this script successfully. You can see that. So now let me visit the admin dashboard, and then the link to the admin dashboard is in a /connect /JSP and /admin. Load that up. Okay, now the username is admin@admin.com, and the password, I will leave this in a readme file. I just click on this to log in, and you can see I've succeeded in installing this file completely just in less than 10 minutes, guys. So each and every one of you can do this, and then it doesn't require any technical skills and all that. So if you want to get this script, if you want to get access to this script, I will leave my contact below, and I'll also leave a link below. So it's either you go through the link or you message me on WhatsApp to know how you can get this script. Okay guys, I've succeeded in installing the military profile display script successfully. If you like this video, if you actually learned how to do this, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate that, and it helps my video to boost in YouTube search. And also, if you have any comments, if you have any question, please leave it for me in the comment section. Also guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification, as you all know I drop content related to web design and digital marketing. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll catch you up in the next video. Bye for now.